And please hold the documents for the photo. And now let's proceed with the second MOU to be. Thank you. And now we will continue to proceed with the second MOU to be signed. Between Taiwan Defense Industry Development Association and Lithuanian Defense and Security Industries Association. Please exchange the documents. And photo one more time. Thank you. The two MOU agreements between Taiwan and Lithuania will foster partnerships and strategic alliances to drive industrial collaborations and build bilateral investment. I would kindly invite our all VIP guests to capture the significant moment in a group photo on the stage and to keep this as a milestone of our growing cooperation. Once again, please, Your Excellency, Minister, Vice Minister, Ms. Romualda Stragėnaitė.